Did you know you can 3D print darts? A lot of darts. The darts are composed of a point, barrel, shaft, and flight. For this project, we wanted to print 3 versions. We 3D printed the points, the shaft, and the flights all in the same build. The shaft has threaded inserts so they can be screwed into the metal barrel. With our H350, we could print 392 darts in a single build. This allowed us to be flexible with our designs. Let's check them out. As predicted, they worked.